For this tutorial, here's what you'll need. An Arduino Uno, a CP2102 based USB to TTL module, a USB Type A male to female cable, and a few male to female jumper wires. Now, connect the circuit according to this circuit diagram. Once your connections are complete, plug the USB to TTL module into your PC using the USB cable. Next, open the Arduino IDE software. Go to Tools and select your board. Then, go back to Tools and select Port. As you can see, the port section is not available. This likely means the system is not recognizing the USB to TTL module. To fix this, open the Device Manager. Under Other Devices, check if the module is listed. If you find it, right-click on it and select Properties. Now under Device Status, you may see a message indicating that the drivers are not installed. To install the driver, simply search online for the CP2102 driver. Now, click on the first link, which will take you to the driver page on the Silicon Labs website. Next, go to the Downloads section and download the latest version. Once the driver is downloaded, open your Downloads folder and extract the zip file. Now, go back to the Device Manager, right-click on the CP2102 device, and select Update Driver. Now select Browse My Computer for Drivers, and then select the folder you just extracted. Click Next, and the driver should install successfully. After installation, you'll see a new Ports COM and LPT section in the Device Manager with the CP2102 listed under it. Now, close the Device Manager and restart the Arduino IDE software. Go back to Tools. You should now see the port option available. Now, select the board. Next, go back to Tools and then select Port. Next, open the Blink example. Next, let's upload the sketch. Before uploading, make sure to place a finger on the reset button so you can press it immediately when it is needed. This is very important when uploading a sketch. Now upload the sketch. As soon as you see the uploading message, quickly press the reset button on your Arduino Uno. Make sure to do this within a second. If done correctly, you'll see the message done uploading. If you miss the timing, you may get an error. Programmer is not responding. In that case, try pressing the reset button right after the warning message appears. You may need a few attempts to get the timing right, and you can try up to 10 times. Once successful, you'll see the done uploading message. There's also another type of USB to TTL module that makes this process easier. For this, you need the CP2102 based USB to TTL module with the DTR pin. If your module has DTR pin, then connect the circuit according to this circuit diagram. With this setup, the reset happens automatically during upload, so you don't need to press the reset button manually. That's it for this tutorial. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching.